Still stuck in manual Excel work? Hours wasted on formulas, formatting, and fixing typos again? Well, not anymore. In today's video, we're unlocking 5 insane AI tools that are flipping Excel on its head. From automating everything to predicting trends and even writing formulas for you. Whether you're a student, analyst, or 9-to-5 warrior, these tools will turn you into an Excel god in minutes. Let's dive in and make Excel exciting again. Still stuck doing boring, repetitive Excel work? What if I told you you can automate all that and actually supercharge your Excel skills in minutes? Meet ClickUp Brain, the everything app for work that's trusted by big names like Sephora, T-Mobile, and Cartoon Network. With ClickUp Brain, you can 1. Automate tedious data entry and formatting. 2. Get instant insights from your data, patterns, trends, forecasts. 3rd, spot and fix Excel errors before they slow you down. 4. Collaborate live with your team, no mess, no chaos. 5. Make smarter decisions with AI-powered predictions. ClickUp Brain helped people save 3 times the time on project management and boosted creativity too. Plus, ClickUp Brain connects all your tasks, docs, and data with AI, making work smarter, faster, and way more efficient. Stop wasting hours on Excel the old way. Try ClickUp Brain for free. Still praying to Excel every time you need a complex formula? Meet SheetGod, the AI tool that literally turns plain English into Excel formulas in seconds. No code, no confusion, no crying over cell errors. Want to generate macros? Done. Need AppScript or VBA? Just ask. Regex looks like alien language? SheetGod simplifies it. Automate your tasks and emails directly from Google Sheets? Easy. SheetGod is trusted by 50,000 plus businesses to automate their daily Excel and Google Sheets work. And now it's your turn. From beginners to pros, stop wasting time Googling how to write this formula. Start using SheetGod. Tired of spending hours on messy data and still getting nowhere? Meet Alteryx, the AI-powered platform that turns data chaos into clarity. With Alteryx, you can automate workflows, cleanse data, and unlock insights faster than ever before. Whether you're in retail, finance, or healthcare, Alteryx is the solution that scales with your business needs. Ready to power smarter decisions with your data? Start your free trial now and discover the future of analytics. Ever feel like your to-do list is never ending? Here's something wild. AI isn't just assisting your work anymore, it's doing it. Meet the new era of embedded AI, Asana AI. Not another tab, not another tool. Asana AI now sits inside your daily workspace, understands your business goals, automates the boring stuff, and helps your team focus where it really matters. Think project updates, task routing, even summarizing status reports, done automatically. Teams at Figma, Anthropic, and Morningstar are already saving weeks of manual effort. Why? Because their AI actually understands context. And if you're wondering, can I trust it? Yes. No sneaky data training, full control, and it respects your team's privacy. It's AI that's accountable. So the question isn't should you use AI at work, it's how soon can you start letting it take the wheel on the things that slow you down.
What if your data could do the hard work for you? Imagine AI-powered insights right at your fingertips. No coding, no complexity, just instant answers. Meet Tableau Agent, your new AI assistant, turbocharging data analysis from start to finish. Whether you're a newbie or an expert, get insights faster than ever before with just a few words. With Tableau Pulse, AI anticipates your next move. Get smart, personalized insights that guide every decision without lifting a finger. Plus, Tableau makes understanding data easy. Automated, plain language explanations break down complex metrics so everyone can make smarter decisions. All this built on the Einstein trust layer, ensuring your data is secure, private, and ready to use with no compromises. Reimagine your data, unlock smarter decisions, experience the future of analytics today with Tableau.
Told you, Excel doesn't have to suck. From automating boring work to getting insights instantly, these tools just made Excel your smartest teammate. Comment below which tool blew your mind and I'll DM you the link to try it free. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you're serious about learning Excel the smart way. See you in the next one.